What are you building?
I'm building blocks.
Are you building a castle?
Yes. So I can build this for you.
Okay.
So I have what castle we have. Uh-oh. Take a picture of this.
What is that?
A soap.
Soap?
Yes.
Okay.
And next, more.
Did Mommy get that with coupons?
Yes.
Okay.
Get that. So I need to add a one, too.
Okay.
So it'd be moss here, and it's upside down, and you have to put this.
What did you eat?
I eat goldfish, and I eat, and I watch
What did you watch?
a Teddy Whittle, very little, mom, and it goes on why mom, so I have to bell mom.
Okay. Are you happy?
Yes. But did you get this from store?
Yeah, I did.
You go to the step and you step
Yeah.
on the wall and you get here.
And it's all free.
Yes. So
Do you like it?
So you step on this, so you step on that. So you get up to find this here. To find our adventures here.
Is there a treasure there?
No, that's not a treasure, that's a castle.
Ah,
We
okay.
have to get in the ring like
Is there
that.
a treasure inside the castle or what?
Castle.
Castle.
That's not a castle, that's not a kettle, that's not a door, that's a rainbow.
A rainbow.
So we have to step on the rainbow and go on the adventure here.
Oh, okay. Step on the rainbow. How did I miss it? Of course, that's what you should do.
Now, Mom, you're going to step on this and get that word adventure there on the plastic, on the moon.
Okay.
There's one middle. See what it? No, it's not in the middle. It's two.
Okay.